So what is the first exercise, kids?
What is
So in level 1, we have learned pace. Remember? Okay, pace is P-A-C-E. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is E for?
Energizer.
Energizer. So energizer means?
Drinking water and sip.
Huh. You should take a sip of water. Can I? So will you all get the water? Yes. So you have to take a mouthful of water.
Ma'am, shall I bring it now?
You should keep it ready now. Brain gym means. So take a mouthful of water.
Yes, ma'am.
5 counts. Keep it in your mouth. We will take 5 counts. 1, 2,
1 minute.
3, 4, 5. Now swallow 5 times. So ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ 5 ಸಲಿ ನುಂಗಬೇಕು. Swallow it 5 times. Clear?
Excuse me.
So you have to repeat this for 5 times. All the exercises you should do minimum 25 times, but energizer you have to do only 5 times. Okay, but now for the practice we are doing everything for only one time, but when you practice brain gym you have to do this 5 times. Okay, so this brain gym you should do it in the early morning as soon as you wake up. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now second, C. What is C? It's clear. It's brain button, clear. The benefit is making you clear. So it is, you have to take a finger movements. So distance of your eyes. Come down. You can see your collarbone. So can you feel this collarbone? So below
Yes,
that, below your collarbone, you have to keep your right hand and your left hand on your belly. Now you have to press, breathe in, breathe out. 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 Now same way, change your hands below your collarbone. So our right hand on your belly. Again, you should press from your left hand. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, Anushka. Do breathe in, breathe out. You have to breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Nobody is doing, only I am doing this. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Relax. So the next is active.
Cross, crawl.
Correct. You have to do cross crawl. So your right hand with your left leg. Your left leg should touch the knee. In your left hand, your right leg should touch the knee. So do this faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do this with hopping. You should do this with hopping also now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll make it more fun.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will be telling a song. You have to do with my speed, my pace, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Jump a little, 1, 2, 3. hop a little, jump a little, touch your knee. Gagana, touch your knee, not from your thighs. That is third level. So only touching knee. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be telling now. Ready? Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, touch your knee. Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. If I say fast, you should do fast. Anushka, hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, touch your knee. You should do fast. When I say fast, you should do fast. When I say slow, you should do it slow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, touch your knee. Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little, touch your knee. So what is this brain gym called?
Cross crawl.
Cross crawl. Benefit is makes you active. It's not active cross crawl. It's cross crawl. Benefit is it will make you active. Okay. So the last one is positive.
Point.
So stretch your hands.
இதுல இருக்கமோ
Not positive points, Dhruv. It's hooks up. Stretch your hand. So right hand on your left hand. Turn it back. Lock it. Come to you. And your right leg on your left leg. So it should be in a bending position. You can see, right? My legs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to keep it in this position. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, kids. You can hear me, no? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Imagine.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Hello, dear. It's your problem. I am clearly audible. Close your eyes. Imagine. Dhruv, you're not supposed to remove that. You have to close your eyes and stand. Balance your body. I want you to balance. So that's why I'm waiting for you. If you open your eyes, no use of doing this brain gym. Anushka. So imagine you are in a beautiful garden.
நேரா நிக்கிறியா
Beautiful garden. It's full of roses, jasmine, lily, sunflowers. Beautiful flower garden. You're able to smell the fragrance of the flowers, different colorful flowers. You're able to get the fragrance of different flowers. The honeybees are moving around. You can able to hear the buzz sound of the honeybees. It's a different colorful flower garden. Can you hear the buzz sound of the honeybees?
Yes, ma'am.
And a clear sky. Clear sky, but it's drizzling. The sky is fully clear, but it's drizzling. You can feel the water drops on your body.
பண்ணுங்க
You can see the water drops on your body. So it's drizzling, so you're not wet, but enjoying the nature. You can feel the smell of the mud. The birds are flying around. It's a beautiful, pleasant nature. Enjoying it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Relax. Relax. Open your hands. Open your legs. So kids, you are not supposed to reply when the hookup is going on. You have to imagine. So what all flowers you imagine there?
Lily.
Okay.
Sunflower.
Okay.
Daisy. Daisy. Rose.
Daisy. Okay.
Hibiscus.
Sunflower. Correct. Dhruv.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Okay. Then what else was there along with the flowers?
Daffodils. Daffodils, bluebells.
Okay, along with the flowers, what else you saw there? Anushka.
Birds.
Birds. Okay. Then honeybees. Then what did you feel? What did you feel?
Dogs. Raindrops.
Raindrops. Correct. You felt the raindrops. What did you smell? What did you smell? Flowers you smelled. Okay. Then
Fragrance.
fragrance. Okay, that's what flower fragrance. Okay, then what did you smell?
Rain smell.
You smell. Okay, mud. Yes, correct. Rain will not smell, kids. It's wet mud. Okay, so pace is done now. So the next is positive points. With your both the hands, two fingers above your eyebrow. What is this brain gym called?
Positive points.
Correct. Anushka, stand up, dear. Stand up. It should not be done in a lazy mode. Stand up. Yes. So no support, Gagana. What your brother is doing there, ask him not to disturb.
Yes,
So above your eyebrow, you have to massage gently. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, open your eyes. See my hand position, how it is. You're all keeping like this. It should be like this. Smriti. Smriti, hands. Not like this. Like this. Smriti, are you able to hear me, dear? Yes. Now in a reverse order. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we'll do it in a reverse order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So now I want you to do thinking cap. Okay? Thinking cap should be like this with 3 fingers front like this. Can you show me your rabbit fingers like this? Yes. Same way it should go back. No, Harshika, I didn't say keep it like this and go it like this. I said hold it like this. Same way it should go back. Okay. Now you have to bend it everything backside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Ting tong. What is this brain gym called? Thinking cap. This is called thinking cap. Once again from the top, you should hold it like this. Anushka, it's wrong. Your thumb should be back. Your thumb should be back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Now one more brain gem. Owl's hoot. Right hand on your left shoulder. Turn towards right. So see me first, then do. See me first. Take a deep breath. When I say 3, you have to do it. You have to breathe out from your mouth. Stand properly, Harshika. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once again, change your hands. Change your hands. Turn towards opposite side. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. So kids, you are not supposed to turn your head so slowly. See me, breathe in. You have to turn it with a jerk. You have to move your head with a pressure. Okay? I'll see now. I won't do. I wanted to see you. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Correct. Gagana, Smriti did correctly. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Dhruv, inna bega tale tirigisbeku. Fast again. Harshika and Anushka. You have to turn it with a jerk, with full pressure. Okay, take a deep breath once again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Correct. Correct. Once again, breathe in. Breathe. Gagana, you should keep your head towards the opposite side. Wherever you keep your hand, opposite side, you should turn your head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Correct. Now change your hands. We'll do 3 times in the proper positions.
Yes, ma'am.
Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Correct. Now I'll also do with you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Correct. Now owl's hoot is over. Now we will be doing lazy 8. Okay. You all of you know how to do lazy 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be starting from the center towards left side. Make a big circle and come back and join back to the center. So it is sleeping 8. So we will be doing it from the center towards left, then towards right, and then back to the center. Again from center to the left, turn back to the right, and stay back in the center. You have to do this for 25 times. What is this brain gym called?
Lazy.
Lazy 8. So keep your right hand to your eye level. Keep it to your eye level. So start from the center, move towards left, again towards right, and to the center. Your eyeball should move along with your thumb. Wherever your thumb moves, you have to see your thumb. Your eyeball should move along with your thumb. Till I say stop, you have to go ahead. Okay? Start from the center, move left, right. Your eyeball should move along with your thumb. You have to do this for 25 times. 25 times. Okay. Now we'll do it for the left hand. Start from the center, move towards left, and again towards right. 1, 2. Your eyeball should move along with your thumb, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm stopping it for 15, but you have to do for 25 times. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
level 1 brain gyms are done. So now level 2, same pace will be there. E for energizer, brain button, active cross crawl, positive hooks up. That will be same as it is, but we will be doing Jimboro. Jimbaro. How to do Jimbaro? Anybody can show me? Correct, Smriti. Your left hand up. So I'm just turning you to show the position. And your right hand back. Can you see me? So your left leg, if your left hand is front, your left leg should be front. See my leg position. So your one leg should be back to one. Can you see?
Ah,
You should stand it in the proper position. One leg front, one leg back. So it should be in the 45 degree. Dhruv, not straight. ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗಿರಬೇಕು. See my left hand position. Can you see now? Correct.
Have it out.
Yes, Harshika.
Ma'am, for have it out. We should touch or we should not touch.
You should not touch. Who said to touch? It should be like this. One leg front, one leg back. Just move it back. That's all. How can you touch? It won't come front at all. It will be just move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dhruv, not straight. It should be in the angle. No delay kai position. Smriti, one hand up, one hand down. It should move back in the same way. Not like this. Not Piyush like this. You have to move it back like this. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Anushka, correct. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change. So your right hand should be up, Smriti. You will get pain, but it should be in the same position. It should not come down. It should be in the same position. 1. No, Dhruv. Left hand up. Straight ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನ ನೋಡು ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನೋಡು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಹಾ, ಮೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. 1, 2. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕೈ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So all your second level exercise will strengthen your arms, helps for long hour writing. So ella related to your hands, arms. Okay. So it will strengthen your arms. So level 2 brain gyms will strengthen your arms to help you write faster and for the longer time. Okay. One more is, what is this exercise called? What is this exercise called?
Jimbaro.
Jimbaro. Correct.
Jimbaro.
Correct. Now we are doing arm activation. We are doing arm activation. Right hand up. Right hand up. So your left hand, hold it back. So whichever side you hold, same direction you should move your hand. Bring back, so move it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are holding front, you have to move front. Hold it front and move front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now inside. So keep it towards your face. Kids, there is a lot of disturbance, kids. So it should be towards inside. So you have to do it for yourself. Hit to your face. 1, 2. Dhruv, ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You should hold near your, not below your elbow. It should be above your elbow. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Support ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು now touch to your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Now in the opposite side, outside. Now say bye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhruv, you're doing fully wrong. Not like this. You have to hold it properly outside and move your hand fully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhruv, see, you're holding inside. So just I want you to show it in a bigger way. Do it properly now. Do. I made you spotlight. Do. So you're holding inside. So you should touch to your face now. Touch to your face. Kai olud nuko. 1, 2, 3. Full kai. You should not bend your hand. Full hand should be straight and touch to you. 1, 2. Don't bend your hand, Dhruv. See Smriti how she is doing. See, do Smriti. Do. I made you big. Do. No, you should keep inside. If you're doing towards in, you should keep it your hand inside. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you keep it outside, you should move it outside. So whichever side you are keeping, that side you should move. Is it clear? Now we have to do the opposite hand properly. Now left hand up, hold it back. As we are holding back, so we are moving back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Harshika, only palm is moving. Your hand should move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold front.
Hold front ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. Hold front. True, correct. Anushka, hold it front, dear, not back. Front, not back. See my hand. See, you have to hold front now. So you're moving front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if you are holding inside, so you have to touch to your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you are holding outside. So now you have to say bye. Then outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're not supposed to do like this or bend your hand. It should be straight. 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? What is this brain gym called? What is this brain gym called? Arm activation. As soon as you finish this arm activation, you have to do shoulder roll. It's a continuous exercise. So your fingers on your shoulder, turn in the clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In a reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now alternative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is this exercise called?
Shoulder roll.
Shoulder roll. Correct. So same shoulder roll, arm activation and Jimbo roll. Is it clear, kids? And one more, cross crawl. How you have to do now? Cross crawl, we used to do this, right? In second level, what you have to do? Second level, what you want to do? You have to do touch your heel. Same way, touch your heel. Opposite hand. To touch your heel. Correct. Dhruv is doing properly. Not same hand, Anushka. Right hand, left heel. Left hand,
like that
right
only, ma'am.
heel. Okay. So just no holding. Just touch your heel and come back to the position. Enough.
Touch.
Just touch your heel and come back. You can do it faster. Correct. Correct, Anushka. So this is the change in cross crawl for second level. Is it clear, kids? You have to repeat this, positive points, thinking cap, owl's hood, everything is there. Only changes I am telling you, that's all. Just I am teaching you the new additions. So third level. What?
That's
What?
penguin.
That is third level, dear. Now we will go to third level one. Okay. So we are doing it for third level. So first you have to follow the same sequence. Ma'am has sent you the sheet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to follow the same sequence.
Yes, ma'am.
So first all of you keep a goal for the day. Don't tell me, keep it in your mind. So goal should be very easier one which has to be achieved today. Okay? Goal which you have to achieve today. Understood? ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Goal which you have to complete and achieve today only. Goal for the day. It might be anything. So I have to finish this at any cost. Another goal for the day. Did you all keep it? If you are finished, show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Yes. Piyush matra torsila thumbs up. Now I want you to do yes. Cross crawl slowly. Now you have to rub your thighs. Now you have to do this. Opposite hands, cross crawl slowly. So right hand towards left leg and left hand towards right leg. You have to cross crawl slowly for 5 times. Okay. Then stretch your body. Just move towards right and left, side by side. Okay. See how I am moving? Harshika, full body should move without movement. Okay. So your legs should not move, only your body should move. Now it's robo movement. So robo will not move anything, right? Now only hands should move. It's in the V shape. Starting from center, it should go in a V form. Okay? Starting from the center, it should go in a V form. Only stiff, the hand should be stiff and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now swimming. Again, it should be from the center. You have to do the swimming from the center. Turn around. Not like this. Not like this. See, you have to move the water aside and do. What is this stroke called? Anybody learn swimming?
Swimming.
Ah,
Ma'am,
what,
I know how to do it. I'm expert in swimming.
what is this stroke called?
Swimming.
Huh?
Swimming.
Swimming, correct. Butterfly stroke, correct. It should be butterfly. See from center, Smriti is doing wrong. Not like this, dear. It should be like this. Push the water. You have to imagine, you're all abacus kids, no? You have to imagine you are moving the water from the hands and you are moving forward. So this is 5 times.
Swimming.
Yes, you are doing visual swimming, virtual swimming. Okay.
Swimming.
Now, next is penguin. See, you know how the penguin flap, right? Same way you have to do. With both the hands, keep it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should not touch to your body also. And other hand should not like this. This is all wrong. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full hand should flap. 1, it should be like turn back. See my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just for your sake, I'm showing you a side. Don't do sideward, just for you, I'm showing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand straight and do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called penguin.
Thank you.
So now again, cross crawl slowly, seeing left side up. Seeing left side up, you have to visualize your goal. You have kept something goal, right? You have to imagine that goal, seeing left side up by doing cross crawl slowly. By cross crawl slowly, you have to imagine your goal by seeing left. By seeing left, kids. Left side up. Huh?
Okay, ma'am, I said.
Don't reply, just do. Cross scroll slowly by seeing left side up. Imagine your goal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, robo movement. Robo movement.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhruv, robo will not fly. It should go from center V shape. V ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ V ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. It should go it in a robo movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now penguin. Just flap. Don't touch your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now homolateral. Same leg, same hand. It should go till up. It should go along with your hand. 1, 2, 3. Don't touch, don't touch. It should go along with your hand. Leg go kai jojjotel mel barbeku. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Piyush is not doing, simply standing. Now homolateral is over. Now we are doing two brains together. How to do two brains? So it should be like this. So kids, for your sake, I'm showing. It should be one hand back. You have to keep it like this. Clear? Now close your eyes and make it like a ball. Close your eyes, bring it like a ball. Two brains work together as one. Open your eyes and see your fingertips. You have to see your fingertips. Open your eyes and see your fingertips. Gagana, don't do as you wish, dear. Please don't do brain gym like that by playing with him. You can sit if you want. So do it once again. Two brains coming together as one. Make it like a ball. Open your eyes and see your fingertips for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again we are doing robo movement. V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then swimming from center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then penguin. Flap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to cross crawl slowly by seeing surroundings from left to right and right to left. You have to do this. Feel the surroundings. Cross crawl slowly. See from left to right and right to left. Left to right and right to left. Now again, homolateral movement. Same hand, same leg. Together up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now close your eyes. Cross crawl slowly again. And whatever you see, you have to put a red color cross. You know what you mean by cross?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever objects you see, you have to put a into mark on it. You have to visualize that. Okay? If you see a wall, put a into mark on the wall. It should be in a red color only. Visualize that and do this by cross crawl slowly. Okay, do that. Cross crawl slowly. Whatever objects you see, you have to put a red color cross mark. Close your eyes. Cross crawl slowly and do this. Put a cross on each object. Whatever you see, cross crawl slowly. Correct. Now, tell me your goals. Each of you. Who will tell first? Raise your hand. Yes, Smriti. What's your goal? Smriti.
Mom, doing every day my work.
I said, what is the goal for today? I didn't ask for a long term. Only goal for today. It should happen only for today. That is called goal, which is not a repeated work for every day. It's a wrong goal. Yes, Dhruv, what's the goal for you?
Finish my all the homework.
Finish all the homeworks given for today. That's a good goal. Good, Dhruv. You have to keep a time target also. Then only it will get success. Yes, Gagana. What is the goal for today?
Should be a good girl.
Oh, then every day you'll be a bad girl, huh?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
So only for today you have to be good girl.
Ma'am, no.
Then this is not a goal at all. I said only for today, which you have to achieve. So this is a wrong goal. Anushka.
Where I have to do my maths and Hindi project.
Okay, you have to finish your Hindi project. Yes, that's a very good goal, Anushka. Harshika, what's your goal?
Ma'am, completing abacus before 1 minute only.
Before?
1 minute.
Okay, you have to finish your abacus homework before 1 minute. So which is not possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that is not a goal. Goal I said which you will achieve today. So in case you can say I can finish my abacus homework 1 minute earlier compared to yesterday. So yesterday if you are taking 5 minutes, today I want to complete it in 4 minutes is possible. But in 1 minute your abacus homework cannot be possible. So it's a wrong goal. Now you can't keep the goal, Smriti, over. Exercise, before doing exercise you have to keep the goal. Piyush, what's your goal?
Ma'am, today I'm going to do my maths project.
Okay, you have to complete your math project.
Yes.
So understood, kids, how to keep a goal? It should be not a long run goal. It should happen every day. So Gagana said want to be a good girl only for today. So it's not a right thing. So you should keep a goal for only today, which should not happen for every day. Carry over and all will not happen. So when you are doing third level brain gym, you keep it a goal which is very tough to achieve for you. Maybe for Anushka, Hindi project is a difficult task. Piyush, math project is a difficult task. So completing homework is a difficult task for Dhruv. So you have to keep a goal which is possible to complete by today only. Then you can achieve it. Is it clear? Every day you should keep a goal. That is the purpose of doing level 3 brain gym.
Ma'am, now only you sent it, right?
Now you have to feel the surroundings. Just stand and imagine the goal, at least logical now. See the surroundings. Feel the surroundings. You have to feel it like if you are seeing a light, it will be hot. So you have to feel it. Feel the surroundings. Now stand, Anushka. Turn your body side by side. Don't relax here when brain gym is going on. So kids, any observation on this? You did this side by side before starting level 3 brain gym. What is the difference now? What is the observation now? Can anybody tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the observation?
I was doing it. Now I'm able to do.
Yes, who said this?
Where we can keep the goals.
Correct, you can keep the goals. Harshika told actually properly. So when you start a level 3 brain gym, your body was not turning so much. So after completion of level 3 brain gym, you can turn more. So that shows that if you give some instruction to your brain, it will work. So now you can turn your body to the maximum. So before starting level 3, you were not doing this brain gym. Before starting level 3 brain gym, you were not supposed to turn your body so flexible. So now it became more flexible because of giving instruction. So one more brain gym is positive anchoring. How to do this? Correct, Harshika. So it should be on your, I'll just sit for you to show. You don't sit. It should be on your center of your forehead, your right hand with 2 fingers, one more hand towards back. Okay? You have to close your eyes and ask your parents to give 5 sums dictation. Visually, you have to do this. Shall we try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, close your eyes. 101. Close your eyes, otherwise you cannot imagine. Units rod, tens rod, Dhruv, follow the instruction. You should keep like this, Dhruv. No rubbing eyes and all. Brain gym should happen properly. Close, only 2 fingers should be open. Keep it in the center of your forehead. Close your eyes now. Close your eyes. Imagine units rod, tens rod, hundreds rod. Now put 101. 101. Now add 511. Less 11. That is.
Ma'am, 611.
No.
No.
Dhruv, unmute mado.
Ma'am, 601.
Very good, Dhruv. It's 601. 601. Correct. Now we'll try one more sum. We'll try one more sum. Close your eyes. If you mute and speak, I can't hear. You should unmute and speak. Close your eyes. Once again, positive anchoring. Imagine units rod. Gagana doing wrong. Tens rod. Hundreds rod. 151. Add 15. Add 101. That is
277.
Anushka.
Ma'am, 167.
Correct, Smriti. Correct, Smriti. 267. It is 267. Correct. So you have to take a tough sums like this in positive anchoring. Is it clear? We'll do one more sum. Last sum. We'll do one more last sum. 222. Add 333. Add 101. That is Anushka. 1 second, Anushka. Correct. It is 656. It is 656. But Harshika, I won't consider because I was saying Anushka, Anushka, but you are screaming.
But I said it first.
It is 656. Correct. So last sum. Shall I give you a bigger sum? Can you?
No, ma'am, I can't.
You can. If you try, it's possible. Last sum it is. Add 2, add 3, add 7, add 8, add 1. That is
21.
correct. It's 21.
I'm 21.
Correct. So you have to take every day in positive anchoring. You have to take every day 3-digit rod, hundreds rod sum visually from your parents. Daily 5 sons you have to do this with a positive anchoring. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
So still any doubt in brain gym? I have taught you level 1,
Ma'am, I have
level
a
2
doubt.
and level 3 also. Yes, Ashika, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, if you send the recording now only or afterwards?
I will send within today, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, kids.